If you want to save a PDF, first what you'll do is go to File and select Save As. Next, you'll see a window open that shows where you're going to save the file. You should be able to change the type of file you save it as here below the space where you named the file. Once you've saved the file, a new window will open where we can change the settings of the file and save the PDF. Saving on an older version of Adobe Photoshop allows you to open the file in an older version of other Adobe applications. Not all computers have the most recent Adobe Suite application, and saving in an older version allows you to open your file without any issues. To do this, you should set the Adobe PDF preset setting to press quality and change the compatibility setting to Acrobat 910. The next thing you can do is reduce the size of the file you're saving. You can go to the compression section by clicking on the label of the left side of the window. Under options, you can change the setting to bicubic downsampling 2, which is slower than using average downsampling 2, but will help you better gradients and sharper colors. Next, you can change the compression file to zip, which is better with larger images. If you want to be sure there is no change in the colors after you convert your file to PDF, you can go to the output section and change color conversion setting to no conversion and profile inclusion policy setting to don't include profile. Once you've done all those things, you can click Save PDF on the bottom right side of the window. There'll be a window that tells you saving in these settings means that you won't get the features that come with saving in the newest versions of Photoshop PDF. Click Yes if you want to, and you'll have your finished saving your PDF.